Ladies and gentlemen, we are present here today at the Doha Festival City, your one and only mall of choice, where we're going to showcase and display a very unique competition in the technology festival world. It's going to showcase 6 different contestants that are going to compete against one another. We're going to see their magic and their talent into putting together their own PC. By the end of this competition, we're going to announce 3 winners, and by the end of it, they're going to get the PC of their own. I advise you all to stay tuned. We're about to start our competition right now, where we're going to have 2 different contestants running against one another. But the best way to choose them to come up to their platform is by asking technology itself, and that's what we're about to do right now. Siri, can you pick a number from 1 to 6?
The answer is 5.
Siri, can you pick a number from 1 to 6?
The answer is 1.
That means we have competitor 5 and 1. We're about to call our contestants to their platform right now to see what they have to offer to all of you guys. I'd like to welcome you guys to your platform, contestant 1 and contestant 5. Welcome to Doha Festival City and welcome to the Tech Festival Show. Are you ready for the competition today? Are you?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah, sure.
Can you introduce me to yourself at first?
My name is Osama Al-Najjar.
And you?
My name is Prashant.
What made you compete in this competition and think that you have the enough talent for it?
Because building PCs is my passion and I love to build PCs. So.
And since when has it been your passion?
I don't know, like 5 or 6 years ago.
Do you think you're ready for the competition today?
Yeah, sure I am.
What is the estimated time that you have in your mind?
I guess around 20 minutes. Like that.
That's a very quick time for you to show a lot of your talent.
Yeah.
Bravo. Tell me more about your talent towards the PC world. Do you think that you're ready for the competition today?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yes?
Yes.
And what is the estimated time that you have in your mind?
Little nervous. And then
Around approximately? Maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes?
Sure.
You think you'll put the PC together? You think you're going to win today the competition?
Of course.
Yeah? You have enough power for it. I'm wishing you both the best of luck, and I say, let's start the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm going to say congratulations. You're done with your PC finally. We've calculated the time that you took and it was around 47 minutes, which is not bad at all. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come towards the end of our competition, where we have 1 winner and 1 person who unfortunately could not make it. Therefore, we tell him hard luck to Vishan on your competition and wishing you the best of luck in your next one. You found a lot of difficulties, right?
Yeah.
You think that you're going to learn from these mistakes and not apply it next time?
Actually, I have learned a lot in this. I will take this as like an experience only.
For sure.
Yeah.
It's never a fail. It's always a better step and motivation for winning next time. Best of luck. And we'd like to look at our winner, Osama, and tell him congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very
Osama,
much.
I'm so proud of you. You managed to put the PC all together.
Yes,
and like
I
we
did.
saw, it was running and working. And therefore, you have won it and it's all yours.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Best of luck in your next
Thank you.
competition.
Thank
I'm
you.
sure you're going to ace it.
Inshallah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's wait for the next contestants and see what they have in store for us while they come up on stage and show us their talent when it comes to putting together their PC.